So in this video, we will see how we can create a Spring or a Maven project, a Spring Maven project using VS Code because everyone does that in Eclipse and I don't like Eclipse. So we can do, what we have to do, the first thing is ensure that you have a Java installed, JDK 11.8 whatever. I think above 8 is required. Then open settings, inside settings, go into system, inside system, go into scroll down, go into about, and then here you'll see on the right hand side advanced system settings, click on this. Then you'll see environment variables, click on this. Then you'll have system variables and user variables. If you do not have admin access, you do that in user variables. Since I have admin access, I'll do that in system variable. So what do you have to do? You have to create this Java home variable, and it is very simple. Just like wherever you are, so like here I am. You just have to click on this new button. Okay, you don't have to select Java home. Just click on this new button and type in Java underscore home, and then browse the directory, which directory, wherever Java is installed. Basically, in most cases it should be in program files. Then there should be a Java folder, there should be a JDK 11, JDK 8, whatever, like this. So this folder you have to select, click on OK, click on OK. I will not click on OK because I already have this variable. I'll click on cancel, you click on OK, and then click on this OK, and you should be seeing your Java home here. Then you can click on this OK, close, and then OK, and then close this window. And then what you have to do, open VS Code. First thing you need to do is install an extension, that is just Java extension pack. When you type it, you'll see this one by Microsoft extension pack. Install it. It will have 4 extensions. We need this Maven for Java. Once you have installed it, what you have to do is you have to, maybe you will have to restart VS Code. Okay, restart VS Code. Sometimes, like in the last step, when you try to run the application, Maven application, it might not run. If it does not run, then what you have to do is you might have to disable it, then close VS Code, then open VS Code and enable it. If I had to do that because I was stuck at a point, it was not working. This particular extension was not working. So yeah, I just did that and it was working perfectly fine after that. So once you have this extension installed, what you have to do is you need to create a new project. So what you have to do is go in Explorer and you'll see a Maven here. If you don't, then restart VS Code. I think you should see. So once you click on this Maven at the bottom, you will have to click on this plus button. Then you can choose the type of the project that you want to create. This quick start, I'll click on this quick start because that is a simple Java project using Maven, simplest one. So just click on quick start, click on 1.4, give whatever new name you want to give. Let me give it sorry, and that uh, next is mm, let me give it test 2. And then you'll have to select a location. Let me select this, and yeah, I created test 2 already, I think. So okay, I'll just create it over here, and you'll have to wait for a couple of seconds while it generates this, and then you'll have an interactive. You can enter the version number. I'll just press enter. It will take 1 by default. You'll have some options. I don't want to change anything. I'll just press enter. You can uh, okay, so there is a problem with the directory name. I think I should have given some other name, so I'll just close it. Not a problem, just try it again. Quick start 1.4 com.example2 demo 34, because I must have not entered 34. Inside Java code, select destination folder, and then again go through the entire process. I just press enter during the process, enter and then enter, and then this time it should work. Yeah, build success, it is done. Press any key to close it, and now it is created. Click on open, the project will open. Now you can see this form.xml file, and that means that this is a maven project. What you have to do is open it and put whatever dependency you want over here, and that should be enough. Okay, now what you have to do, I'll show this in the previous project, this but yeah, this src, then main, and then app.java. You see app.java here. So whatever java files you need to create, you can add it over here. Just right click on this example to new file, and then name of the file .java, and that should do the job. So yeah, that is enough for this one. Let me close it because it's useless, and let's move on to our application that we have. So the important thing here is, like, I have created a simple Spring context application just to test that it is working. Okay, so for that we need a XML file, config.xml or spring.xml. I have named it spring.xml. So what and this is the code that you need to put in. Now this is a depends on your program. This one is common for everyone. So yeah, so just put that thing over here. This whatever you need for your code for your project, put it over here. The important thing is that this spring.xml should be created inside target. Okay, so go inside target, then you will have to go inside classes. Okay, let me just alt click it. Okay, so now let's begin. Click on target, then click on classes, and then inside classes new file, and then config.xml or spring.xml, whatever you need to type in. So just type that name of the file, and you'll have this file. So the only reason I'm making this video is that I could not find where you need to create this xml file, and for that particular reason my code was not running because it could not find the xml file. So you just have to do that, create xml file at this position, and let's open app.java. You just like here I'm using class path xml application context. Okay, so just provide the name of the file spring.xml here. Now if you create a directory inside that, like resources, and then inside spring.xml, then yes, accordingly just put resources slash spring.xml, whatever. So that is that. And like I have other classes, bike, car, and vehicle. They both inherit from vehicle. So what happens is that if we go in the spring.xml, like if I want if I type four wheels, then I'll get a car object. If I type two wheels, then I get a bike object. So that is a simple stupid application. And yeah, like vehicle 1 dot drive, vehicle 2, both are vehicle objects. This one is getting context from 4 and this from 2. So that is it. Now when I run it, you have to just click on run and wait. And yeah, it is working properly because I'm getting driving a car and driving a bike. This is the expected output. Like you can see, it is driving a bike and car is driving a car. And that system.out.println is adding call a four vehicle, call a two wheeler, sorry, yeah, whatever. So I think that is enough. Yeah, that if you click on run and it does not work, then you know what to do. Just go in extensions, click on this Java extension pack, and then open it, and then disable it, then enable it again, and that should do the job. Okay, so I think that is all for this video, and let me close it.